So guys, we are off. We're off to Leh now from Sarchu. These past couple of days have been very harsh on me. I have kept the helmet visor open, so you might be hearing a lot of wind noise. But I just want to have the maximum amount of oxygen which I can have, so I don't fucking die or something. And these landscapes are vast. I wanted to camp today, but I was so tired and worn out yesterday because I got my bike fixed first. I got it towed and put the Dominar, and I installed a Dominar clutch plate on this thing. And then I had to leave for Sarchu from Jispa at 4 p.m. There we go. Poor folks working. I do feel for these people, these VRO people, because I have been in that situation when you are like alone, no one is there with you, and nothing works, no food, the water is also dirty, very difficult. So this is Gata Loops. This is supposed to be very difficult to climb. Let's see what happens. One loop is done. Thank God. That should be called a curve, not a loop actually, technically speaking. जा भाई तू. Let's keep it very, very slow and steady. We do not see someone is leaking oil. My god, that's scary. I was scared. कोई आ तो नहीं रहा था. ठीक है. Wait. एक गाड़ी भी लेके आ रहा है. Maybe I should stop. Yeah, someone had a bad day just like me. It's a fucking BMW. Fucking Beamer. Yeah, Ladakh actually tests your vehicle to its limit. Now this thing has to be towed, I don't know, to Chandigarh or somewhere, because I'm not sure if BMW has a service center somewhere in Ladakh, or maybe, I'm not sure. I should not comment on that. Gata loops is very loopy. Oh my god, look at the map. Gata loops. $2,500 RPM, second gear. अरे यार, the last thing I want. Gata loops. Gata loops. Oh my god. Look at that, bro. That is scary. And few folks over there are coming. They're climbing the Gata loops. Oops. अरे बाप रे. Thank God. Wow. I still have my visor open because I do want to breathe. So I want all the air which is available to go inside my body. अरे यार पानी क्यों है यहाँ पे? पानी क्यों है? I hate water. Coming down from this place would be easy. I'll take the shortcut. I think someone died here because they did not give him water. But yeah, that is ecologically ruined actually. That place does have a history. So it is like, I have heard this from other YouTubers, it is like someone had no water, he was searching for water, then he died, and then people started throwing water bottles over there just to pay him respect, something like that. But yeah, that guy must have had a really bad day. Water in this place is very, very important. You need to drink water. I would definitely want to jump from this point using a wingsuit or something, just like in Far Cry. In that game I would definitely do that. I mean, look at this place, man. Just run from this place, like that point over there, or maybe that point over there with a wingsuit, and jump. Space bar to jump. My God. Full adventure. Oh wow, that is a patch. Man, hats off to that person who managed to build a road over here. What is this point? Wow. Oh my God. Okay. Thank God. One more off-road path. At least there is no water. If there would have been a fucking water crossing, I would have literally cried.